This is Paul. Look at the brain. Yes, the human brain is the most important part of the central nervous system. It's kind of important that they define that. If you separated it from the central nervous system, I'd like to know what the nerves would do. Now, it controls the body and what it does. With the brain, we think, remember, and reason. The brain receives such sensations as sight, touch, and temperature. Governs the body's reaction to them. Even small injuries to the brain are often serious and may cause death. Oh. Mhm, mhm. Now, I happen to like my brain. As I've said, I've spent a lot of time with it. Yes. A lot of those in law enforcement, they don't actually think about their brain as being a part of their individual persons. And I'm not being flippant or sarcastic. Yeah. Let's say you're in the police department. No. And you don't use your brain. Your thought was, well, I don't know what I do, why I do it. I can't understand what I just don't know. But somebody that spends a lot of time with their brain, they realize the importance of it and how it functions. Yes. Now, as I mentioned, yes, if you were to remove every part of my person except for my brain, yes, you would find that Paul C. Budnick is the brain of his actual body. Now, let's say you wanted right now to start using your brain. Yes. You said that you could have sex through each other and you could be the bee on you. Yes. Every time you screwed one another. So that the last. Oh! Well, is that really your brain or somebody else's brain? As I understand it, you should have a brain in your skull. Yes. And it should be your brain that you're using and not somebody else's. Now, you thought, yes, that you had some. How would you possibly separate from the brain that you were given? Yeah. See, when you were born, you did not have any choice of brains that were given to you. The brain that you were born with is the brain that you have. Yeah. Now, for all of you that said, well, we're going to come to find out. Exactly how is it that you came to find that out? Yeah. Because the brain, yes, that is in your skull, yes, is the actual brain you were born.